Ready to jump back into Roblox? Let's rejoin that server you love. It's quick and easy. First, launch Roblox. Make sure you're logged into your account. This is crucial. Now, head to your favorites or recent servers to find the thrilling one you want. Once you find it, simply click on the server name. Ready? Let's join that world. If the server is full, don't worry. Keep trying or wait for a spot to open up. And there you go. You're back in action and ready to play. Enjoy your time. Tip 1. Save your favorite servers. It makes rejoining way easier. Tip 2. Keep an eye on server notifications for openings. Tip 3. Use Discord to connect with friends and join servers together. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you navigate, the smoother it gets. Soon, you'll be a pro at rejoining. Keep playing and have fun. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips and tricks.